Want to start digital marketing in 2025 but have zero budget? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how to start digital marketing for free and how AI can make your journey 10x easier. Even if you have no skills or experience, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start earning online. Make sure to watch till the end, because I'll share powerful AI tools that can do the work for you. Digital marketing is all about promoting products and services online through websites, social media, email, and search engines. The best part? You don't need money to start. You just need skills and a smart strategy. Here are the main free digital marketing methods: social media marketing, content marketing, affiliate marketing, SEO, and email marketing. Now let's see how you can start these without spending a single rupee. The easiest way to start digital marketing is through social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn allow you to promote businesses without any investment. How to start? Pick a niche like health, fashion, tech, finance, or AI. Create a business page on Facebook and Instagram. Use free AI tools like Canva AI to design posts. Use ChatGPT and Copy.ai to write captions and ads. Start posting daily and engage with the audience. Want to automate your posts? Use Meta Business Suite or Hootsuite AI to schedule content in advance. If you love writing, start a blog on medium.com or blogger.com for free. Pick a topic you love like AI, business, or fitness. Use ChatGPT or Write Sonic to generate blog ideas. Optimize with SEO using Google Keyword Planner. Share your blog on social media for free traffic. Bonus: use AI voiceover tools like 11 Labs to turn blogs into YouTube videos. Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products and earning a commission. Join Amazon Associates, Daraz Affiliate, or ClickBank. Get a unique referral link. Promote on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. Earn money when people buy through your link. AI hack: use ChatGPT to generate content and Canva AI to create professional-looking posts for your affiliate links. Email marketing is the #1 way to build a long-term audience. Create a free landing page using MailerLite or Systeme.io. Offer a free ebook using ChatGPT to generate it. Collect emails and start sending weekly newsletters. AI tip: use AI email writers like Jasper AI or ChatGPT to create high-converting email sequences. Here are 5 free ways to start earning. Sell social media management services on Fiverr. Start a blog and earn from Google AdSense. Earn from YouTube Shorts and AI-generated videos. Get paid for writing articles through the Medium Partner Program. Use AI tools to sell digital products like ebooks and courses. Everything I shared today is 100% free. But if you want faster results, you can scale with paid ads later. I hope this video helped you. Let me know in the comments which method you'll start with. For more free digital marketing tips, subscribe to my channel. Check the description for a free AI tools list.